What's good, everybody? On this video I'm going to show you how to use this clever little pierogi dumpling making gadget to make all these tasty pierogis. Now we may share a little recipe with you guys as well from Poland because, you know, we're kind of known for pierogis. In any case, this is a very easy gadget that essentially allows you to put the innards and then press the button and watch it glue and drop below. Stay tuned for the whole video. Alright, so first we use a little jar to make the dough. So now you want to make sure you put it over top of these zippers. Now you get your filling. So in our case it's already pre-made. They're just cheese and potato balls. Now you just press once hard and the ready-made pierogi. And you can make all these pierogis super quickly with this little gadget. This is made of plastic, but you can get a stainless steel version of this as well, so it's gonna last you a lot longer. Do you like this, using this?
Yeah, for me it's very easy to make it because I have arthritis.
Alright, so this is when they're cooked. Are they good?
Yeah.
They're very good. So if you're looking to make pierogis, then the kitchen device is definitely something you may want to consider. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.